Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to reactivate your Yahoo account after inactivity. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Now this process is actually very simple, but only if your account still qualifies for recovery. Here's what I mean by that. If you received an email from Yahoo saying your account was deactivated because of inactivity, then you usually have a 30-day window to get it back. All you have to do is sign back into your account using the regular sign-in button, and your account will be reactivated automatically if it's still within that time period. However, depending on where your account is registered, the recovery window might be longer. For most countries, it's 30 days. But if your account was created in Australia or New Zealand, then you have 90 days. And if it was created in Brazil, Hong Kong, Taiwan, or India, then you have up to 180 days to reactivate it. So if you're still within the allowed time, here's what to do. Just head over to yahoo.com and click on the Sign In button at the top right corner. Enter your username, email, or mobile number, and then your password. If you created your account with a Google login, you can also use the Sign In with Google option. Once you successfully log in, you'll be able to verify your recovery info and either create a new password or continue using your current one. Your account will then be fully reactivated. Now, if that doesn't work, meaning you can't sign in or recover the account, it might not have been deactivated due to inactivity. There's a chance it was banned or suspended for another reason. If you think that's the case, you'll need to contact Yahoo support directly and ask them what's going on. To do that, go to the official Yahoo help website at in.help.yahoo.com. Once you're there, click on the support category that fits your issue, usually account, and enter your email address. Then follow the on-screen steps. They'll guide you through the process, and if your account can still be recovered, they'll help you get it back. And that's it. So that's basically how you can reactivate your Yahoo account after inactivity. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.